Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 9. This is Section 3.4, Problem 9. It says multiply the given numbers, and we have 30 times 1.6. So to start the problem, at first just ignore the decimal, multiply 30 times 16, and then figure out where the decimal will go in your answer. So to do the multiplication, 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 3 is 18. Then when I go down to the next level, I have to start by filling in a 0 or leaving a blank spot, moving over one spot to the left. Then I have 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 3 is 3. And now I'll add up those results. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. So if I had ignored the decimal, I get an answer of 480. But that's really not the answer because I have to put the decimal in. So go back to the question, see how many total places you have after the decimal in your question. And you only have 1. So the answer has to have the same number of places after the decimal. So if I put my decimal between the 8 and the 0, I would have 48.0 as the answer. Now, the 0 after the decimal like that, with nothing after it, doesn't need to be written. So you could certainly say the answer is 48.0, or you could simplify it a little bit and say the answer is 48.